This product isn't my favourite. Oh, that is absolutely delish. This smells like Outback, mate. Sarah, you smashed it. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is something really exciting. So if you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you will know that maybe a year to a year and a half ago, in my head it's been that long, maybe it hasn't, I filmed a video where I went into Lush and I got one of the employees to do my Lush haul for me, and I really wanted to do something similar again. However, this time this is in collaboration with my amazing friend Sarah. You guys know her. You guys love her. She is a current Lush employee, and I gave her a little message and I was like, look, do you want to do a little video collaboration where you do my Lush haul as a Lush employee and I do yours as like an ex-Lush employee, and we could do kind of a collaboration video? And she was down, and parcel has arrived. I've had it sat in my room for a good 4 days now, and I am so excited to dive in. So she popped it in a kitchen box. I just cannot wait, and I'm gonna dive in to see what she picked. So without further ado, we are gonna dive right in. Obviously, make sure you check out Sarah's video to see what I purchased for her, and I would actually love to know down below in the comments what you think that I got Sarah. That is what I'd like to know. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So because she's super cute, she popped in a note, and I'm going to assume that she doesn't mind me including this in the video, but she said, "Hi Melody, I hope you enjoy all of my favourite products. I've also popped in a few extras for you to try." She's just so cute. I cannot cope. Can't wait to see what you think of them, and I hope we can meet up again sometime this year. Absolutely, Sarah, let's do that. Let's put it on our list of things to do. And I also didn't tell you guys, our budget was £50, so we both spent £50 and then picked all the goodies. So let's dive in. I am so excited. Okay, so the first thing we have seems to be a massage bar. This is, I've just ripped the packaging, so really sorry about that. This is the After Massage Bar. Ooh! Oh, I've seen this one before. This looks and this smells like Outback, mate. Does it? I mean, to me it smells like Outback, mate. Wow, that is beautiful. That is delicious. I wish there was such thing as smell-o-vision, but it basically smells like peppermint, spearmint. Let's read the ingredients. So, ingredients-wise in this one, it has got calamine powder, cocoa butter, shea butter, melon oil, peppermint, spearmint, eucalyptus. That's so good, so fresh. Do you know what? I would never pick this up for myself, but that's actually incredible. Wow, I love that. Such a good choice, Sarah. Wow. Oh, I just love it. Delicious. Oh my goodness, that was so fun. Okay, let's dive into the next thing. Next up, we have, I'm gonna go for this one. Oh, a classic. Do you know what? I haven't had one of these in such a long time, and I absolutely love this bath bomb. It is so good. I just feel like I always get distracted by the more like exciting ones, but this one is just so good. So give me 1 second. We have Avobath, an absolute classic. The smell is just, it's so fresh. It's really good. So this one has avocado, olive oil, lemongrass, bergamot oil, gardenia extract. It's so good. It's very strong in the fragrance department. Like, it is very kind of overpowering, but in a nice way. It smells delicious. I don't know how else to describe it, but it is this beautiful like light green color. It's just a simple bath bomb, to be honest. There's nothing on the inside. I think there might be a slight sparkle to it, but nothing crazy. Oh, it's just absolutely delicious. I love Avobath so much. So what a good choice again, Sarah. Smashing it. So the next item again is another bath bomb, and this is the Lakes bath bomb. This one is relatively new. It's not one of their newest products, but it is one of their sort of more recent bath bombs. It's the most beautiful kind of green, blue, pink color, and ingredients wise in this one we have got pine oil, Osmanthus Absolute. Is that how you pronounce it? Osmanthus. I think that's like pretty much it. Perfumes and that kind of thing. This one's really good. Again, this is a very nice fresh bath bomb. It's got a very lovely kind of gentle smell to it, but it is like, I don't know how to describe it. Put it this way, I'm slightly suffering with a little bit of a cold at the moment, and this is going straight through my nose. So yeah, absolutely delicious. Again, I have had this one I think once before, but it's just such a beautiful kind of color combo that I'm really excited to try it again. I can't really remember much about this one, so oh, that is absolutely delish. Sarah, you're absolutely smashing it, and I'm really worried that you're not going to like the things I've picked for you, so I'm so excited excited to see what you think, but that is heavenly. Okay, next up we have, oh, okay, do you know what? I haven't used this product in years. If you go back on my channel back to say like 2015, 2016, I am 99.9% sure I mentioned this in a few favorites videos, but it used to be in a bottle. Now it's in a tub, which is very interesting. So this is the Lush Veganese conditioner. I have loved this so much for so long, but I just never buy it anymore, and I don't really know why. I'm actually intrigued to see. Oh, okay. Do you know what? It is a little bit thicker than it used to be. It's not completely thick, like it will eventually spill, but it smells the same. It's a very lightweight, very kind of gentle conditioner. I think I used to absolutely love this when I had my blonde hair. I just devoured this. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got lemon oil, lemon juice, agar gel, rosemary infusion, and lavender flower infusion. It's just a very nice lightweight conditioner. If you've got curly hair or your hair's not overly dry, this would work really, really well. So I absolutely love this. I haven't used it in ages, and I'm just so excited. This is like a blast from the past for me, so I'm so excited to give that one another try. Next up we have, oh, okay, do you know what? Sarah, you are the best at doing this. You have picked some absolutely beautiful items. So the next item we have is the Beauty Sleep Face and Body Mask. I have used this before. I absolutely love it. It is the most luxurious, like gentle, if you want a face mask but you don't really know what to go for and you want something that's a really lovely treat, highly recommend this. I also believe that this has got some of the Gorgeous moisturizer in it. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sarah, down below, but I have heard this has some, oh, it literally says it on the front. Let me just read to you what it says on the front, because I completely should have read that first. It says, a luxurious face and body mask with an extra spoon of Gorgeous in it. It may even help you sleep. So yes, it has some Gorgeous face moisturizer in it, which I absolutely love. Again, I have used this before. It's so good. It's such a lovely kind of fresh, I would say it kind of almost smells very expensive, like it's something that you kind of would get at a really luxurious spa or a hotel. It's just so lovely. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got neroli oil, lavender oil, tonka absolute, jojoba oil, coconut oil, ground aduki beans, primrose seeds, lemon juice, wheat germ oil. You have so many ingredients. I will hold it up for you guys to see. You guys might find it easier to pause it and have a little read, but there are so many beautiful ingredients in this product and I absolutely love it. You guys know I am a massive Lush face mask advocate. It's very hard to say. I absolutely love Cup of Coffee, Mask of Mag and Beauty Sleep. They're like my top three, so I am so excited to finally have one of these. I don't currently have a Lush face mask in use, so this has come at the perfect time, so thank you, Sarah, for that. Absolutely obsessed with it. So next, moving on to, okay, I'm not gonna lie, this product isn't my favorite. Now, we did this kind of to buy our favorites and do like a little swap, so I am gonna use it and I am gonna try again, because I will say I filmed a video maybe a year or so ago where I tried all the Lush products that I hate. Now, I say hate strongly. They're just products that I've always had in my mind that I didn't particularly enjoy. This was one of them, and I will say that when I used it, it wasn't half as bad as I'd imagined it to be. It's not a product I probably would go out and buy myself. However, it is a product that if bought for me, I will use and enjoy. So it's one of those sort of products for me. And this is, drum roll please, Blue Skies and Fluffy White Clouds. I think for me, it's the overpoweringness of the smell. It's a very strong fragrance. This one has patchouli oil, cinnamon leaf oil, frankincense resinoid. It's a very strong scent. If you like things like Karma, you will probably really enjoy something like this, because it is that really strong, deep, rich patchouli smell. It kind of smells like incensey. That's kind of how I would describe it. You know, if you burn an incense and it's a very strong, very overpowering smell, that is what this smells like. It's not as bad in the water and it is quite lovely actually, but again, it's one of those products that I never think, oh, I really fancy to like use one of those. Do you know what I mean? But it is a nice product. I will say, if you like things like patchouli, frankincense, a really strong incensey smell, you will love this. And if you don't, maybe try it but use a tiny bit in the water at once, and it is a really lovely soft kind of bubbly texture. I I'm not obsessed with the smell. I won't say hate because I don't hate it anymore, but I'm not obsessed with the smell. So diving in, the next item we have is, oh, okay, this is the Olive Branch Shower Gel. Do you know what? I haven't used this product in years. I think I actually bought some of this when I left Lush like years ago. I did an absolutely gigantic Lush haul. I cannot talk today. I did a really massive Lush haul, and I think this was one of the products that I bought back then. I haven't bought it since, not because I didn't like it, but simply because I have a lot of shower gels already and I am slowly getting through them, but then you have like the kitchen box and the Christmas collection and you end up buying loads and loads more. But I really liked this. It was actually a really lovely shower gel to shave your legs with or your armpits or whatever. It's a very moisturizing shower gel. I will say, it does smell really good. It's a very fresh, light scent. If you want a shower gel that essentially just smells like a shower gel, like it smells clean, it smells soapy, this is a really good one to go for. Very subtle, very gentle. It's not as liquidy as it used to be though. It used to be very, very watery, but tipping it now, it's kind of a normal shower gel consistency, so I'm excited to try it like that. And ingredients wise in this one, we have got vine leaf infusion, fair trade olive oil. You also have mandarin juice, bergamot oil, lemon oil, orange flower absolute. And again, as I said, it just smells clean. It's clean, it's fresh, it's very gentle. I really, really like the shower gel. I honestly don't know why I never buy it, because it is such a lovely, I don't want to say unisex because everything is unisex in Lush, that's not kind of what I mean, but it's a very sort of flat smell. I feel like anybody would enjoy it. Does that make sense? It's not overly feminine and it's not overly masculine. It's just kind of a standard, lovely, fresh smell, and I absolutely love it. So thank you, Sarah, for reintroducing me to that, because I actually forgot about how much I loved that one. So we are now diving into the last few items. Oh, okay, so this is the Lush lip butter. So I haven't used a Lush lip balm or a lip butter in this kind of format ever. The last one I used, I think, was Buttered Brazils. That is going back a long while. I absolutely loved that lip balm, so RIP to you. This one I've never even really seen. This has castor oil, candelia wax. It also has almond essential oil, vanilla absolute, Brazilian orange oil. I am excited to try it. Let's give it a try and see. Ooh, ooh. Okay, wait. Should we put some on? I'm gonna put some on because I've got dry lips anyway. Oh, wow. That is a lovely texture. It's like, I'm just going to use the whole thing. That's really lovely. It's a very thick, I don't want to say buttery texture, but it is a thick buttery texture. I absolutely love the consistency of that. I find that some lip balms, especially in this format, can be very thin and you kind of put them on and it kind of smushes, but this has got a very firm texture. Absolutely love it. Tastes delicious. Tastes like oranges. 10 out of 10. I am so excited. I love that. I love trying new things. So, and last but definitely not least in the box, we have, oh, okay, this is really exciting. So I haven't used a Lush mascara in so long. This is the Lush Lashes Lengthening Mascara, and I haven't used a Lush mascara since I think it was called, was it called Eyes Right or something along those lines, like back in the day. I feel like it was called Eyes Right. It was in a tiny pot and it was glass and it had like a pipette style twisty thing. It was a long time ago, but this I have never used. I'm going to open it because I am probably going to start using it like so soon. My current mascara is drying out, so it's like the perfect timing. I'm so excited. How exciting. I don't actually know what this has in it. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So we have extra virgin coconut oil, rapeseed wax. You also have beeswax, wheatgrass infusion. I'm getting to that point in the day where like my words are coming out all fumbled, but that's so exciting. Oh, I love it. Sarah, you smashed it. So those are all of the products which Sarah picked for me in this little box swap. I really hope you guys did enjoy, and Sarah, if you're watching, thank you so much. You absolutely went over the top with this haul and I'm so thankful and so grateful for you, and I really, really hope that you loved all the things I picked out for you as well. Please do go and watch her video. I will leave it down below, and yes, if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers this year, so if you haven't already, please do. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.